project. Today I am going to attempt to make a split hem jeans because I go online shopping a whole lot and I can't ever seem to find what I'm looking for. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't know why they're not making clothes the same way that they used to. But I purchased these jeans off of Poshmark. And these jeans are Page denim. It's really good quality. It has no stretch in it. And these are low waist jeans, something that's also very hard to find online. So these are low waist bootcut jeans. And I bought these off of Poshmark for $14. And I am going to create a split hem. So I want to make my hem split on the side. So what I'm going to do, I don't know if you can see it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to unravel. I'm just going to try to take out the stitches in this on the side here. And it's very tedious, especially with this thick material. I'll probably be all day with it. But you guys, it's going to seem like I spent like 2 minutes on it or whatever, because I'm going to fast forward. But anyway, we're just going to start just going in with our scissors and just removing the seams. Now I got to make sure this is on the right side. Okay, so yeah. So I'm going to go underneath here. Let me move up. So I'm going to go underneath here. And you see the stitch that's going across right here. So we're going to just go here on the side here, and we're just going to remove the stitches. Move this back. So we're going to break this up and remove that. Like I said, this is going to take a while to do. You see how it's already coming apart a little bit. So I'm just going to keep doing that with my scissors. Just cutting across the seam until I open it up. Okay, so once you get that thick stitch out right here, then sometimes you can kind of pull it and it'll unravel, but in case it doesn't, you just go in with it and just keep cutting that thread that's holding it together until eventually it's gonna split. And you might want to measure how far you want this to split at. Like, I want mine to split kind of, I don't know, below the knee, kind of, maybe. But I have to do some measurements off camera. But you measure where you want your split to stop at. And you make sure you mark it so when you do the other leg that it match. You can use your measurement tape as well, or you can just mark it. But as you can see, it's starting to split. So I'm just going right down here and I'm cutting the thread that's holding this together with my scissors. And this is a very, a long process. But if you take your time, listen to some music, it could be really relaxing to do. And yeah. And this is so that I'm doing it this way so that when I finish, it won't look all frayed. And then also too, I can go back and hem it back in case I want to wear these without the split hem. Okay, you guys, so now this is where I stopped because I gotta measure. So I'm going to measure this. I want this split to come all the way kind of right here. Right here. So I'm gonna take a marker and kind of mark right there. This is like a fabric marker. It's blue, so it's not gonna show. So I marked it to right there. This is about right. And so I plan on wearing these with some heels. So I'm gonna split. I think the more you split, the more it touches the ground. So yeah, we're gonna measure that. And then we're gonna make sure the other side matches whatever. So yeah. Alrighty, you guys, this is the finished results. And yeah, I don't wear low waist jeans because I don't like my belly fat. But yeah, this is cute. And you can see me wearing this with some heels, you know. I kind of put a belt on, put a nice sleek top on, something, you know, classy. I'm trying to hold in this gut, girl. Girl. But yeah, these are cute. I like these. Give it some flavor. See, I like jeans with flavor. This definitely gives it a little bit more edge. And I think you could do this to sleeves as well. So I'm gonna see if I can make split sleeves. I think that'll be cute as well. But you know what, guys? I'm always putting stuff together, so just stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel on YouTube, Treasure83. I don't know, when you look my name up, Treasure83, you might have to put Treasure83 Shein video, because sometimes when you type in Treasure83, it does not show up. The algorithm is not allowing it. So be sure to check me out. Once again, type in Treasure83 and you might want to like put something like Shein video or something like that. That's how you can find me. But anyway, I'll holla.